What's up everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Sonos Roam portable Bluetooth speaker. The Sonos Roam is a great portable Bluetooth speaker that's loaded with features like wireless charging, waterproof and dustproof ratings, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support, great sound, and more. If you're experiencing issues with your Sonos Roam, an easy first step to try and solve your problems is to restore the speaker to its default factory settings. Doing this disassociates your speaker from your Sonos account, unpairs it from any paired Bluetooth devices, and returns it to the state it was when you first removed it from the box. Alternatively, it's a good idea to factory reset your Sonos Roam before you sell it or give it to someone else. But before we get into the steps to reset your Sonos Roam to its default factory settings, I want to let you know this video is made possible by Canva. Canva is an online graphic design and video editing tool with a simple interface that makes it easy for anyone to use. Using Canva has made my workflow more efficient, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. If you're interested in Canva, I've included a link in the description and pinned comment you can use to check it out. Now let's walk through the steps to restore your Sonos Roam Bluetooth speaker to its default factory settings. Step 1. Find the power button on the back of your Sonos Roam portable Bluetooth speaker and then hold down the power button for roughly 5 seconds until it makes the following sound and shuts down. Step 2. Locate the play-pause button on top of the speaker. Hold down the play-pause button, press and release the power button, and continue holding the play-pause button for 5 seconds until the LED light on the front of your device starts flashing orange and white. After a few seconds, the light will start flashing green, indicating the process is complete and your Sonos Roam portable Bluetooth speaker has been reset to its default factory settings. Whoever you give the speaker to will need to set it up again. I'll link to my video about how to set up a Sonos Roam out of the box in the description. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.